Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this short how-to video I'm going to show you how you can control the gimbal on your DJI drone in the DJI Fly app. And if you have a Mavic Air 2 or Air 2S, how you can move the gimbal from side to side to create stunning shots like this one. Firstly, switch on the drone and the controller and then open the DJI Fly app. We are using the DJI Smart Controller with an Air 2S for this example. Once you are connected and in the camera view, press and hold the centre of the screen. You can now move your finger around the screen and the gimbal on the drone will follow your finger movements. Firstly, we move it all the way to the left and you can see the camera follows. You notice that the gimbal scale is also shown both in the X and Y axis. Move your finger to the right and again the gimbal follows. You can also move the gimbal up and down using this method. When you've finished, simply release your finger. And that's it. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel for more.